On any city street, you are separated from a 70-story subterranean drop by just a few inches of metal. These cast iron slabs weigh roughly 300 pounds. If one were to slip down a shaft, the resulting impact would destroy the infrastructure below and prove fatal to any worker inside. This diagram illustrates the geometric vulnerability of a square cover. The diagonal measurement, labeled here as x times the square root of 2, is mathematically longer than its sides. If a square lid is tilted or turned, it easily slips through its own frame. A circle, however, possesses a property known as constant width. Because the diameter remains identical regardless of orientation, it is physically impossible for the cover to fall through the opening. While the circle perfectly solves the gravity hazard, it hides a much deeper, counterintuitive mathematical mystery. As it turns out, the circle is not the only shape capable of defying gravity through constant width. To build a rouleau triangle, start with an equilateral triangle. Draw a curved arc from each corner connecting the opposite vertices. Despite its bulging appearance, it maintains a consistent diameter. It rotates continuously between two fixed parallel lines without the gap ever expanding. This geometry allows specialized drill bits to cut square holes and enables Soviet-era film projectors to advance film frame by frame. It is even used on fire hydrants to ensure only firefighters can access the water supply. If this triangular shape performs the exact same life-saving function, we have to ask why modern civilization built its entire underground infrastructure exclusively on the circle. The decision is driven by the isoperimetric inequality, a theorem detailing the trade-off between constant width and total area. Every shape of constant width with the same perimeter contains a different amount of surface area. The rouleau triangle holds the absolute smallest area, while the circle holds the largest possible area. For city planners, this translates to industrial efficiency. To securely cover a large open shaft, a circle provides the maximum surface area while using the absolute minimum amount of cast iron. During the Industrial Revolution, municipalities built massive sewer networks that required extremely heavy covers to trap toxic underground methane gases. But that weight created a human limitation. Attempting to manually lift and transport a 300-pound rectangular iron slab creates a severe injury risk for a single worker. A round cover offers superior ergonomics. A worker can pivot the massive iron disc onto its edge and roll it to the worksite. When the job is done, the lid drops into place instantly, without needing to align corners or edges. The circle became the standard because it optimized raw material costs and biomechanics of the human workforce. However, static weight is no match for the violent environmental forces that can launch these iron circles into the air. This diagram outlines the downward force vectors at rest. During heavy storms, drains overload, rapidly compressing trapped air. As pressure builds, the system acts as a nonlinear spring mass. The air overcomes the iron's weight, causing the cover to hover and tilt, venting the surge. The result is a dancing cover, or an explosive water geyser, as shown in this photograph of a fractured street surface. Street circuit racing creates even more extreme aerodynamic forces. A Formula One car generates such intense downforce that it creates a vacuum underneath the chassis. This effect can physically rip an iron cover from its frame in just 0.05 of a second. To prevent catastrophic crashes on street circuits like Las Vegas, racing crews are forced to use a low-tech solution. They manually glue every manhole cover to the street before the race begins. Even with a design optimized over centuries, traditional iron covers meet their limit when faced with these extreme atmospheric and aerodynamic pressure changes. Today, cities are moving away from cast iron to combat a rise in scrap metal theft, which leaves dangerous open pits in urban areas. New designs utilize high-strength composite fiberglass polymers, which offer extreme durability without the weight or scrap value of iron. These modern covers are being equipped with IoT sensors, turning a passive piece of the street into a digital data node. Municipalities now use these access points to actively monitor toxic gas concentrations, detect early flood levels, and track tampering via GPS. Active sensors and high-strength polymers allow these covers to act as functional valves, managing the constant exchange of pressure and data between the city street and the tunnels below.